Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to name a range in Microsoft Excel. So let's start the video. First, open your Excel worksheet where you want to name a range. Now select the range of cells that you want to name. Navigate to the Formula tab and click on Define Name. This will open the new name box. In the name box, enter a name for your range in the name field. Choose a name that describes the data in the range. Now click OK in the new name box to create your named range. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.